In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SQRT function in Google Sheets. This function is incredibly useful for quickly calculating the square root of a number directly within your spreadsheet. Follow along and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you become confident in applying this function. First, let's begin by opening Google Sheets. If you don't have a specific sheet in mind, simply create a new one. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry if you're not familiar with Google Sheets just yet. Once you have your sheet open, we need to choose the cell where you'd like the result of the SQRT function to appear. For consistency in this demonstration, we'll be working with cell C2. Go ahead and click on cell C2 with your mouse. Doing so will prepare it for input. Now comes the exciting part, typing in the formula. In cell C2, you'll need to enter the formula as follows: equals SQRT, open parenthesis, B2, close parenthesis. It looks like this. ESA SQRT B2. The equal sign is essential as it signals to Google Sheets that what follows is a formula. In this example, B2 is the cell containing the number for which you want to find the square root. If your number is in a different cell, replace B2 with the corresponding cell reference. After typing the formula, simply press the Enter key. Doing this will execute the formula and immediately display the square root of the value from cell B2 in cell C2. If you see a number in C2 now, congratulations, your formula is working perfectly. Imagine you have a column of numbers and each one needs a square root calculation. Typing the formula for each row would be tedious. Luckily, Google Sheets offers a handy feature called autofill. This feature speeds up the process by automatically filling adjacent cells with the formula. To use autofill, click on the small blue rectangle or square handle at the bottom right corner of cell C2, called the fill handle. Drag it down the column over the cells you want to fill with the formula. As you release the mouse, you'll see each cell in the column automatically updated with the respective square root values. And just like that, using the SQRT function in Google Sheets becomes a breeze. Practice this a couple of times, and soon you'll be incorporating it into your spreadsheet tasks with confidence and ease. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your data processing in Google Sheets.